Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create dashboard in ClickUp. So look at the left hand sidebar menu and let's click on dashboard. You will see this bar chart icon. So click on that. Click the plus new dashboard button in the top right corner of the menu. Just like that. Now ClickUp will ask if you want to use template or build from scratch. For total control, choose the easiest route. So click blank canvas or this simple dashboard. Um, so yeah, we can also start from scratch. So let's go with this one. All right. Um, So either way, you can use these templates. So if we go with simple dashboard, for example, you will see this pop-up window here, and you will need to select the data source. So let's say it's okay, and then create the dashboard, as you can see here. Okay, now as you can see, dashboard is made up of individual widgets called cards. So this is cards. Now you can also add cards, so you can do that here at the top right corner where you see add cards. And you will just need to search here for a card that you need. And when you find it, just press, let's say like that, select location, and then we have data, measure, units, position, and so on. And when we are happy with it, just add the card. And we have it right over here. Now you can also move those cards as you wish here on your dashboard so that you can organize these cards as you wish here. So as you can see, I can move them left, right, up and down. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.